Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to animate objects and photos in Premiere Pro. First, select your image layer and hold Alt on your keyboard and drag it up to duplicate it into another layer. Select the image on the second layer, which is the one at the top, and let's go to Effect Controls, and we are going to click on this pen tool under the opacity section. And we are going to outline our object and make some points to go around it. And trace it until you go back to the first point you have made. After that, we are going to increase our scale by 30%. And for the mask feather, we are going to change it to 75. For opacity, 100%. For expansion, we set it to 25. Let's go up and click on the stopwatch icon beside position and change the position of the object on where you want the object to start. I'm just going to keep it around here. And let's move ahead a few seconds and let's adjust the position of our object on where we want the object to go to. And the effect should look like this. And that is how you can basically animate objects and photos in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.